Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn the phonic sound of letters A to Z. So let's start it. The first letter we are going to learn is the letter A. Ant. Ant. The next letter is the letter B. B. Let's learn the next letter, the letter C. Car. Very good, kids. Let's do another letter, the letter D. Dog. Dog. Let's learn the next letter, the letter E. Elephant. Elephant. Let's keep going. The next letter is the letter F. Frog. Let's try the next letter, the letter G. Grapes. Grapes. The next letter is letter H. Hippo. Next is the letter I. Igloo. Igloo. Let's do another letter, the letter J. Joker. Joker. Let's try the next letter, the letter K. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Here is the next letter, the letter L. Lion. Let's do another letter, the letter M. Monkey. Let's try the next letter, the letter N. Nest. Here is the next letter, the letter O. Octopus. Octopus. The next letter is letter P. Pizza. Pizza. Next is the letter Q. Queen. Queen. Let's do another letter, the letter R. Rabbit. Next letter is the letter S. Snail. Here is the next letter, the letter T. Turtle. The next letter is the letter U. Umbrella. Umbrella. Let's learn the next letter, the letter V. Violin. Let's keep going. Let's learn the next letter, the letter W. Whale. Let's learn the next letter, the letter X. Xylophone. The next letter is the letter Y. Yo-yo. Here is the next letter, the letter Z. Zookeeper. Let's revise once again. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. So children, I hope you enjoyed. Keep reading, keep learning.